New here at 5 o'clock today, the jury in the Drew Peterson murder trial is expected to begin deliberating next week as to whether Peterson is guilty of murder in the death of his third wife, Kathleen Savio. The jury was off today, but attorneys in the case spent the day arguing motions about the instructions they will be given when they are handed the case next week. ABC7's Diane Patthew is live at the Will County Courthouse in Joliet with more on what jurors can expect. Diane?
And Sylvia, as you mentioned, the jury was not in the courtroom, but they were certainly discussed as both sides talked about and decided upon jury instruction as they prepare for closing arguments next week. As this trial comes to an end, Judge Edward Brumilla and both sets of attorneys discussed details of how they would like the jury to be instructed when making their final decision on the fate of Drew Peterson. Peterson, a former Bolingbrook police sergeant, is accused of killing his third wife, Kathleen Savio, who was found dead in her bathtub. He was charged with killing her after his fourth wife, Stacy, went missing. Closing arguments are set for Tuesday. Today, Peterson's defense team made another effort to throw out the murder charges because of lack of physical evidence, which the judge again denied. The state's case is primarily built on hearsay evidence. One of the instructions the defense team wanted to include was for the jury to disregard a portion of stunning testimony that came earlier this week from Harry Smith, an attorney who testified that Stacy Peterson told him Drew Peterson murdered Savio. The judge denied that request. Still, the defense is hopeful they will win this case.
I'm going to do the best I can. Chris Koch, he knows what he's doing. And Jim Glasgow, he ain't no idiot. So we got an uphill battle, no question about it. This case is far from being in the bag. We're going to do the best we can, win or lose.
And the state is confident as well.
All in all, we're satisfied with the jury instructions that are going to be given in this case. And again, we'll be preparing all weekend for the closing arguments on Tuesday, and we look forward to giving them.
And Ron, the judge did agree to include the definition of hearsay evidence for jury instruction and to keep that definition in the mind during the jury deliberations. Reporting live outside the Will County Courthouse in Joliet, Diane Patthew, ABC7 News. Back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you, Diane. And also in that